On records, my name's Fenas Yoduku. I am the founder and also the party leader of the Liberty National Democratic Alliance Party. That is the leader party. As you can see, I'm here at the Registrar of Political Parties Offices at Lion Space Headquarters. And we had come here to submit our party documents, which has already been approved. And I need to make this very clear to the people and of the public of Kenya. And now the leader party, which is the abbreviation for Liberty National Democratic Alliance Party, was founded back in 2024. That's a long time ago. And now we are here, we have been approved. Our name has been approved. Our manifesto, our ideology has been approved. Our party constitution as well has been approved. Our nomination rules as well has also been approved. So we are in the right path to being fully registered by the ORPP, and then as the newly young political party to be formed.